Welcome to 1757 Briar Drive, located just seconds from grocery stores, banks, restaurants, and a variety of other amenities. It's within the Ann Arbor School District with Pittsfield Township taxes. This 4-bed, 2.5-bath, 2-story country French-style home sits on a quarter-acre lot and offers over 2,600 square feet of space. It's move-in ready and has new carpeting upstairs and new kitchen tile. The roof, air conditioner, furnace, and sump pump have all been replaced within the last 4 years. It has plenty of upgrades as well, including a master bedroom with master bath and walk-in closet, a family room with a wood-burning fireplace, hardwood floors, a fenced-in backyard, and much more. Join us while we tour this amazing home. Thanks for visiting 1757 Briar Drive. For more information about this listing or any other, please contact Joe Neely. The nearby city of Ann Arbor is packed with great opportunities. With over 110,000 residents, Ann Arbor is one of the state's largest cities. As a cultural center for not only Michigan, but for the entire Midwest, Ann Arbor's lively art scene features exceptional musical and theatrical options, as well as some of the region's best visual arts opportunities. Coupled with the city's commitment to the arts is their commitment to the enjoyment and stewardship of its incredible park system, where you can explore countless natural areas, float along the Huron River, or get involved in a wide variety of individual and team sports.